Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with power and access. Plug the iPhone in if battery is low, and make sure you know the Apple ID credentials so you can sign back in. Once done, check settings right arrow Apple ID right arrow Find My. If you can, disable it so the device can exit restore prompts. If you cannot access settings, move on to network and device state checks below. This gets the phone into a state where software resets or network-based fixes can succeed without a computer. Next, focus on connectivity and clearing stuck states. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi. Some restore screens consult Apple servers and need internet. Then restart the phone. Use the side button and a volume key for a standard restart. If the screen stays on restore, perform a force restart for your model to break the loop. Once the phone reboots, make sure it attempts a normal startup, if it still shows support. Apple.com/iPhone/restore. Proceed to the on-device recovery options I'll explain next. For the final push, erase and reinstall iOS from the phone. Open Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer, or Reset iPhone right arrow Erase all content and settings. This triggers on-device reinstall without a computer and resolves most restore loops. After erasing, sign in with your Apple ID to reactivate and restore iCloud backups, so you get apps and data back. If activation still fails, try a different Wi-Fi or cellular connection. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account or activation assistance. That is the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.